goes there. Sorry everyone, I thought you people were thieves. My name is Francisco de Coronado. I was born in 1510 in Spain, but as we like to call it, España. Where should I start? I traveled to Mexico, which was called New Spain, when I was 25. In Spain, I was the governor of the kingdom Novella Galicia. A man came to my town and told me about the 7 golden cities. So I decided to go on an expedition to find the cities. I used my own money and stole a little bit of my wife's money to pay for the expeditions. I traveled from Mexico all the way to now what you call Kansas. I discovered the Grand Canyon and the Colorado River. In 1542, I was badly hurt falling off my horse during the expeditions, so I went home. When I went home, I went into bankruptcy. It happens. And then in 1554, I died of an infectious disease. Gracias a todo.